What do we got here? Andy's Ratrod. Hurry up.
I'll be here all night, boys.
What?
Where's Clifford? Is this what Clifford pooped out?
Anyways. So, first of all, let's tell the people where you've been and why we're in this situation to begin with.
Juan fired me.
You just scratched your truck.
As long as the wheels don't get scratched.
Let's go all the way back to LS Nationals. When was that, like March? No, yeah. April, May maybe?
Did you show hold on, did you show my cool pictures?
Nobody cares about that. We took the motor apart because it was having issues.
Yeah. We
took a bunch of metal out of it, cleaned it up, and it was running just fine. And what did I say?
I don't know, just fine.
Well, the oil pressure was iffy, but I said, you know what? We got a couple more events to go to. Take it easy. Let's do like 1 or 2 pulls per event. Let's just keep going, and then at the end of the year, we'll pull the motor and get it rebuilt.
Absolutely.
And what did you do?
I heat up the bottle as hot as I could. Didn't even check the pressure, and I said, fuck it, let's go. Let's do this. Let's see.
You said let's go about 10 or 12 times.
And it went the fastest it's ever gone.
It did make the fastest pull it's ever made in its life, right before
it went I think it went 902 at 147.8 miles. Yeah, hold on. What you got on that? Lunch money?
Yeah. I said only make 1 or 2 passes. I was actually in the middle of a streetcar cruise when this happened. By the time I get back, he's already made 10 passes on the damn car. And of course, the motor lets go.
It sounds like this.
That's basically what it said.
It legitimately sound like that.
So yeah, that's the story. That's why you probably haven't seen the rat rodding for some of you. And for the very small amount of you that were wondering about the rat rod, that's what happened. Well, little by little, every upgrade that I've done on my car, I've sold every single part to Andy.
I haven't paid for it.
In case Liz is watching. So that we can, in the off season, make this truck a turbo truck, a twin turbo truck, and that's what we're doing now. That's at the point.
And I think it's gonna be called Baby Bullet.
Baby Bullet.
And I swear to God, if anybody calls me Baby Bullet at the track,
too late. You just said it. Everyone's gonna call you Baby Bullet.
That was a joke.
You ready? I think it's gonna fit in there, to be honest with you, because I already kind of put it up, and it looks like the turbo's gonna sit right inside the grill.
I cannot believe it's like that much room. All right.
Put one up. I'll put a bolt in.
I can't carry this fucking heavy ass thing by myself.
I brought it in here. Where's the bolts? Oh. Ooh, fancy ARP bolts. I need some of these.
Yeah, you need to jump on that. Here,
we got my old wastegates.
No, they're brand new.
Oh, these are the blow-off valves. New blow-off valves. My old wastegates right there. My old injectors. My old turbos. My old headers. My old downpipes.
New throttle
body. New lid. My old air-to-water intercooler. I mean, this is set up to go low 8s, bro. You got low 8 stuff.
Hashtag come here for the bullet.
If anything, take a chop saw or a bandsaw, cut it right there straight, and just turn it down to where it points down. Like that. You want it up? I mean, yeah. If you want to party,
that's gangster, bro.
Check out this turbo kit. Now, remember, I don't know if you guys may know, but I ran these headers down and forward. They're meant to go this way, up and forward. So we're actually putting them on because they fit on this car because it's got no strut towers. But they fit perfectly up and forward. They've got the turbos are tucked into the grill. We're gonna remount the radiator to the back. We're gonna run an inline electric pump and just leave the turbos hanging in the grill right there. Probably make 2 holes to feed the turbos a little bit, but yeah, I mean it looks good. Even my downpipes are gonna work on this car. So basically, just like I had my turbo kit only reverse.
All right there.
The wastegates, look at the wastegates. They sit perfectly on the outside of the grill, so we're gonna have little wastegates right there. And then probably, I think he should make a little bullhorn come up with a teardrop, just like he used to have his intake, like this. I'll probably just put a picture in there. But if he does that, I mean, it'll kind of represent what you used to have with little bitty teardrops in. And when you get on it, this thing, especially on the two-step, this thing's gonna spit fire straight up, dude. It's gonna go pop, 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 pop on both sides. It's gonna be sick.
Like this?
Yeah.
So like this?
No.
Oh, like this?
No, sticking back. Yeah. No, so it's gonna be on the pipe, so it'll be like this and there, like that.
Like this, basically. That's crazy.
I know. I'm digging it.
You know, now that I think about it, why didn't he just come up?
That's what I was telling you.
No, but come up this way and then merge right here.
You can't. That's gonna be a sharp angle for him. I'm telling you how fast.
Brandon's a bad.
Okay, but I'm telling you how fabricators think. They're gonna look at that and say, "There's no room."
He can make it. Did you see what he did to my pedals?
I'm just saying. The kit actually works really well. I'm surprised.
There's a lot going on there.
I was expecting it to be more off.
I mean, there's a lot of room for activities in there, bro.
All the fabrication has almost finished on this.
It took us like 10 minutes. We took an alternator off.
So really the only thing you have left to do is the small stuff. Lines, fittings, wiring. And it's ready to race, dude. But do something about that lid. At least use that VHT.
No, I'm gonna paint it black. No, they're going black. Everything's going black. It's literally gonna be like the bullet.
Yeah, baby bullet. What I tell you.
I do want to paint this red.
Yeah, we should just grind that down and put a bullet sticker on there. Big bullet.
I do like.
Body, same everything.
You think we should leave the intake polished? So this is gonna be polished.
I don't know why you went with a polish.
I want polish.
So, no, I don't like. I mean, you can't.
No, this is gonna be black. No, this is all gonna be all black. This is gonna be polished. The wastegates are gonna be polished, which they are polished.
I would paint them or something.
No.
Oh. Yeah, your logo sucks now. Just make them put 2 turbos on there.
I wanted him to do 2 turbos with like sucking in the world.
2 tornadoes.
Yeah. All right, so this is officially Hayden's call out.
Oh yeah?
Calling you out, bro. Been running your mouth. Sick and tired of your ass.
What you don't know is that there's only one car you're gonna line up first.
The Mini Cooper.
No. The Bullet.
I don't know, bro.
The Bullet gets first dibs on this pile.
You need to let me. You gotta allow me to have at least 3 or 4 runs.
You. No.
You've been racing your car for like a year.
I don't care. I don't care.
And it's still having ignition problems.
I get that ass first. I get that ass first.
I can almost guarantee you that you're gonna out 60 foot me. But at the 8th mile.
Yeah, right. You act like you're racing a nitrous car.
Really?
You act like you're racing a nitrous car.
Your truck compared to my truck is...
How many pounds are you running?
2.5, 3.5 pounds.
I'm gonna be at 35, bro. You need to pump those boost numbers up.
I don't need to be at that high.
Alright, that's it for now. Leave a comment if you think that this truck is gonna be able to contend with the Bullet, or if the Bullet's gonna do what the Bullet does and rake this truck up and down every single street, up and down every single drag, every single track, like it always does. So leave your comment now.
Hey, what do you think on the freeway?
Nobody cares.